One question that comes in from time to time from users of TwistedBrush is how to move or rotate or scale the contents of a layer. There's a number of ways to do that, but one of the easiest and highest quality ways to do that is to use the paste tool. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the paste tool to start with by clicking here on the toolbar, and you see I have the paste tool selected. I've already set up some images on layers in this page. What I'm going to do for this first one is I'm going to go to the edit menu and select cut. So that will take the data from that layer and place it on the clipboard. Now, because I have the paste tool selected, I'm immediately able to start pasting that image that I just cut to the clipboard. So as I click and drag, I'm scaling and rotating the image that was on that layer. If I hold the Control key, I can change its location on that layer until I get the exact position, size, and rotation I want, all with one tool usage. So you see I've done that very easily, and the results are with high quality as well. So what I'm going to do here is go to another layer, and this time rather than go to the edit menu, I'm just going to use the hotkey, which is a standard Windows hotkey for cutting the contents of something to the clipboard. I'm going to press Control X. I've now copied that image data to the clipboard. I still have my paste tool selected, so I'm immediately able to scale, rotate, and if I press the Control key, relocate the image data that was on that layer. So you can see I've done that again. And another advantage of this is because it's in the clipboard, if I wanted to make 2 copies of it, I'm ready to go. It's already all set. Again, pressing the Control key while still clicking and dragging on the canvas. If I let go of the Control key, I'm back into rotate and scale mode. And finally, I'm going to this last layer that I have. Again, just the same thing, just how quickly it could be Control X, click, drag, Control, and place it where you want, and you're done. So it's really as simple as that to transform the contents of your image on a layer without impacting the rest of your layers. And that's it. Can't get any easier than that.